You know what? A computer is a dumb machine. Computers can only follow instructions in a language they understand. It's up to a programmer to choose a language that is best for the specific task. Let us learn how to write a program in Python to display Hello World on our screen. In Python, print is a built-in function to display text on the screen. So for our program to display Hello World should be written inside round brackets and within the double quotes. Also, a hashtag is used to write comments in Python. Comments are used so that others can understand the code easily. These comments should be written only in a single line and are ignored by Python interpreter. Now, let's compare a program to print Hello World in Java and Python. Python uses less code to give you the same result as compared to Java. Java uses semicolons or curly brackets for structuring the code, whereas Python uses indentation or spacing. In Python, we do not need to declare variable types, functions, methods, or parameters in the code. This allows the programmer to write short and flexible programs.